So we managed to get the trampoline back together. Should last another couple of months, I think. It's looking a little worse for wear, but not too bad. Gonna clean up all these branches today. Bend the gutter back, and I'm not sure what else we're gonna do, but it should be fun to see. Can you? Just pile it. Oh! Don't break yourself. Hi. What you doing? You like, yeah. You look like that, you know, that Tim the Toolman show? All right. This is a big project for the summer. We're going to redo the front yard. That is a preview coming on the weekend sometime soon. See, it's got the results for my boys to get out of isolation. We've been in isolation for the last couple of weeks for COVID, and yes, they are negative, and they can finally go back to school after I don't even know how long, many months. A very long time to homeschool. So yay! Ninja, the assistant supervisor, is back. He's trying to just hang out with us, have a good time. You can tell it's all twisted. This is disgusting. Yeah, that looks good. It might be from a different one. Yep. Oh, look at that jigsaw. All right, I reckon we should clean them. This is a cotton candy apricot plum tree that we planted about a month ago, which is doing superbly. Got some beautiful flowers coming out in our ground covers. Our aloe is actually flowering. I've never seen one do that. Jace is now just cleaning the tiles with some, it's just some dishwashing liquid.
Smells like glue.
Alrighty, here we go. This is a jigsaw roof tile. Yes, it's a liquid now, is that all together? It's a bit messy from the top, so I'm just gonna... I've got some rubbery stuff in a caulking tube, so I'm gonna clean that up when I go up on the roof. It's just the last roof tile, and needs to go back up there. Hopefully it stays in one piece. So we've got this detail sander, and it's being a bit of a problem because the sheet keeps falling off. So we had this idea, why don't you just get a hot glue gun and glue the sheet onto it. So that's what Anna's doing right now.
So Jason's on the roof now putting that tile back in place, and he's going to get some footage up there after to show us what he's done to put them all together again. And this is actually over our garage, so we haven't been too at risk with not having it there, and it's been dry the last few days as well.
Why on roof?
So when the roof tiles came off, I had to put them all back together. You can see kind of a little bit over there. That's a bit of a mess down there with the sealant all over the top of it. Let's get a bit closer. So with these ones right along here, they all blew off in that storm, so I've had to use some silicone rubber sealant specifically for roofs, but also for roof tiles, and the liquid nails is coming very much handy as well. They have left a bit of a mess, but at least it's all going to be waterproof anyway. We can probably repaint this at some point anyway, and it'll all be okay. And you can see right there as well, kind of sealed up some of the cracks. So it'll be watertight too. Great view from up here on top of the house. Hey.
So we're here at the Alfred Nichols Gardens for a hike with 2 of our 3 boys. Just getting a bit of sunshine, enjoying not being locked up for once. Say hi, boys. The green team.
It's a very green kind of day, apparently.
A green kind of day.
I have no idea what that means actually.
I don't know. What is a green day? Is that when we're in the garden? Is we're in the garden?
Green Day's a band for them.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't
I'm
Green
not
Day
going to
like
sing songs.
Neither am I.
Alright, shall we?
Sure.
Okay. You want to talk or me?
Hi. Welcome back to On the Weekend. We've got a